Okay, it's next morning here now again. I didn't do anything else on that while I charged the battery there. I just moved on to the head here, or the engine. I just pulled everything apart. All these gaskets need to be changed. This was done, I suppose, in the late 80s, middle 80s. So I'm just going through it all again now and changing these gaskets. I'm removing the studs for the head. We think they're stretching. A few of them are breaking. That broke. So what I'm doing is just drilling it out as close as I can to a thread, and then I'm die grinding it out, and then I'm just pulling the threads out. It's coming out easy enough. Well, I've done two. That was the last one I done. So I got the die grinder near the thread. It just wound itself up in it, pulled the thread out, and it's not damaging the threads at all. But where they are really stuck here, the threads are fucked, and I think they're not very good there. So I'll just have to see what I'm going to do when I'm replacing this. And I'll just see where I go up a size or what the hell I'm going to do. But I'll get all these out first and I'll see where I am. What I'm going to do is start back on the gearbox again. I'm just doing this quick what I'm doing here because I'm going to turn on the heat and some music. So it'll just be a time lapse. Let me see. My plan here is, this is stuck out again now. It's not coming back in. I think that's where it was stuck when the clutch pedal went to the ground. So my plan here is to pull this nut off, slide these plates out. I'll take these pins out, slide it off, and I want to see, is it getting stuck somewhere? Is it going to the end of these splines and just falling off and getting stuck? And if it is, what I can do, can I put a spacer in there? I just have to talk to a few people and see what I can do to stop it. Is there a washer or something, or is there something missing or something like that? So that's the plan here, just get that off, slide this off and see what's getting caught on. So I think that should slide, but I'm not sure. But I want to leave it the way it is so I can see where it's getting caught. I'm going to stop that there now. I'm going to get everything set up and I'll maybe clean up here a bit, and then I'll start on that. I think I might have found the problem. As someone said on the Facebook page, Bullnose Morris Engine Club or whatever it is, they said that these splines might have fallen back behind and gotten caught. That's what was happening, but I think it's these. They're going behind there as well and getting caught. They're inside the teeth, and that one's been bent out of the way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to squash these down, squash that one down out of the way, and just fit it back again so you can get it caught again. Because that would be an easy fix if that was it. Just going for breakfast now, we'll see. So I'll make a quick video of this. I'm removing the studs out of this. They're all stretching when we put the head on. We torque it down and then they come loose again once the engine runs and it cools, starts leaking and the head nuts are loose. There's 15 on here. This will be the 6th one or 7th one I'm going to have to drill out. The last one was the best one I've ever done, so I thought I'd video this one, see how long it lasts. So what I'm doing is I'm getting the center the best I can. It's all freehand this, so it can be done at home with normal tools. I'm drilling it out and I'm stepping the bits out until I get near enough the threads. Then I'm taking a die grinder, and what I did was, we had old die grinders here, or whatever they're called, G-Burr bits, but I went and bought brand new ones just for doing this, and it makes it way easier. And then I'm grinding out till I see the thread. This is the last one here I done. You can see through it in some spots. I'll hold up the light maybe. My camera's gone down. You can see the light through that. I've ground it just to where I can see the tips of the threads coming through it. And then normally you just pick them out, but this one actually is screwed out. It's screwed down with the bit, and then I just screwed it back up again. So I'm going to do here is drill that. I'm going to center punch it the best I can, then start drilling it, and then we'll see where I am. That came out easy enough in the end. I didn't even touch the threads down there at all, hardly. So I will run a tap through all of them, but like all the thread is still there. These are taking me 20 minutes to get out. If they are screwing out, that was probably about 10 or 15 minutes that took me, not even. It's actually quicker to do this for it to snap off. But it's my last one here now, so hopefully that just screws out. I don't have to risk. I was lucky to get all them out. I'll leave that there. Alright, I'm making up 12mm studs. A couple of them done there. Just thought I'd go about how I'm doing one, showing a video. There's no point showing, but I'll do it anyway. cut that thread a bit off, so it's a bit wobbly going down. I'm running out of studs to make up, so I'm going to buy some extra tomorrow. I think my die is a bit fucked. I used to be able to get them straight at the beginning, now I can't. Alright, I'll leave that there and get the rest done.